Hey there, what's up? Superstar Coach Fryer here. Super excited to be with you. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're watching this video, you are maybe someone who saw the title and thought, maybe, you know what? Maybe that's me. Maybe funds are a little bit low right now, but I really want to figure out how to start a business. In light of what's going on across the globe right now, there's a lot of folks out there who are struggling, those folks who are hurting, and they are seeking different ways of how they can prosper financially. Maybe you've gotten laid off from your job. Maybe you've been, sent home for a few weeks and you're trying to figure out how to make a few extra bucks. I don't know where you're at in the realm of all of this, but here's what I know for sure. Is that this video is going to help you if you're someone who has little to no funds, yet really understands the importance of maybe starting a business as soon as you possibly can. Now, in today's video, I want to give you 3 simple things that you can do right now. I want to keep this short, sweet, and to the point. I want to just say thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Feel free to tag anybody else down in the comment section who you feel could benefit from this particular video. I'm just super grateful that you are taking the time out of your busy day and schedule to watch this particular video. So I'm going to zip right through this. So you guys ready? 3 things you can do right now if you have no money and you want to start a business. Write this down. Tip number 1, okay, is seek a mentor. Go find a mentor who is doing what you want to do or can maybe help you in that specific area. No, I'm not asking you to necessarily go pay for a coach or pay for a mentor, right? What I understand is that maybe financially you just don't have the means to do so. And I want you to understand, listen, we've all had to start in that particular space, in that particular area. So here's what I'm encouraging you to do. Is to find someone who's currently doing what you're doing or seek someone who knows a lot about and could potentially help you when that time comes and start following all of their free stuff, right? Follow their every single move. Listen to all they are open and willing to share and all that they are maybe saying. Another thing, get inspired maybe by how they might be able to help you build confidence in what it is you want to start or what it is you want to create. Maybe they can even provide a little bit of knowledge and wisdom about how you can even get started and give you some actual direction, right? Okay. And next is, this falls right in line with understanding the importance and value of surrounding yourself with these types of people, especially during this crucial time. Okay. So number 1, seek a mentor, seek a guide, someone that can help you maybe start this process and follow their every move. Number 2, for those of you taking notes, if you have no money and you want to start a business, I'm assuming maybe you're stuck at home right now like we are. Here's my second tip for you. Start selling some stuff. You and I both know that you've probably got all kinds of stuff laying around your house, in your closet, in the garage, of things that you haven't seen, touched, worn for probably 6 months to a year, maybe longer, who people out there in the world today, right, are probably seeking and could get value from and they could get use out of. You know what I'm saying? Start selling stuff. Look around your house. We all have stuff around our house that is not being used, right? Okay? Start selling it. Well, Coach Fryer, where can I sell it? Well, here's my first tip. Leverage Facebook Marketplace. If you're watching this video, you're probably on Facebook, right? Okay? Use Facebook Marketplace to sell your stuff. But Coach Fryer, right? Okay? With all this going on, we're not supposed to be near people. Fine. Do a curb drop-off. A curb drop-off. They can pick it up on your curb outside. Leave the money under the mat. Whatever it is you need to do, right? I'm telling you, you have stuff in your house, in your car, in your garage, whatever, that you're not using right now. That you could probably go generate 50, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, maybe upwards of $1,000, right? That's plenty of money for you to reinvest back into yourself to figure out how to start your own business, right? And make more money, okay? This is going to generate a little bit of money to help you figure out what some of the next steps might be. Put a number 2 in the comments if that was helpful. Like, oh my gosh, I didn't even think about it like that. I'm sitting here looking around, Coach Fryer, at all the different things in our house, and I don't even use half of this stuff. Right, sell it. Even if it's for pennies on the dollar. Get it out of your house, right? It's going to help you declutter probably a lot of stuff you got going on anyways, right? So number 2, start selling stuff. Here we go. Last and final bullet point here. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully this has been helpful so far. Tip number 3, Okay? If you have no money and you want to start a business, tip number 3 is going to get a little bit transparent. I might get under your skin just a little bit. You might not be smiling from ear to ear after I tell you this, but this is what you need to hear. It might not be what you want to hear, but it's probably what you need to hear. Number 3, do something about it. You don't have any money. You're low on, the financial side right now, yet you understand the importance of maybe doing something to create some extra income. Even after all this is over and you go back to work, right? Okay? Do something about it. You see, most right now are, they're going to sit and just watch a bunch of TV during this time. They're gonna sit there and watch every single episode, every single documentary on Netflix. Now, I'm not saying you can't watch TV. That's not what I'm saying, right? Okay? My wife and I like to enjoy a documentary every now and again. But I'm saying sitting there watching 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 hours a day while you're at home of documentaries isn't helping your financial situation. Can I get an amen? Okay? Most will not take advantage of this opportunity. Okay, most who are stuck at home right now, even after this thing comes and goes, right? Most are going to continue to look at their circumstances and say, woe is me, and they're not going to be open to seeking opportunity. You see, most in 6 to 12 months from now are going to be in the same freaking position that they're in today, the time that they watch this video, and nothing will have changed. Most will maybe even blame someone or something else for the circumstances and the choices that they are choosing to make. My simple suggestion for you is don't let that be you. Don't let that be you. Quick recap. Number 1, seek a mentor. Number 2, start selling stuff. Number 3, do something about it. Don't let whatever's going on out there, don't let that affect you. Don't let that be the reason why you can't do something. I believe in you. I know you can do this. Feel free to tag someone else who you think this video could help, could inspire, could motivate, could encourage, who might find themselves in a similar situation, and share it with them. God bless each and every one of you. Let's go prepare to impact. See you next time.